In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get in early into 100x coins, and I'm talking as early as it gets created or before a big pump happens. But before I actually show you that, I want to show you a very successful case which happened literally just a few hours ago with this coin called EAR. We all know what happened with Trump. However, I was scrolling on Twitter and this person, Xavier, actually shilled this coin EAR, which went to $30 million market cap at around $200,000. Currently, it's valued just under $6 million. And I genuinely think this is a very good bet if Trump wins the election this year. And right now, this coin is down 80% from all-time high. And I genuinely think this is a good bet. Now, I'm going to show you how you can find coins like this from people from crypto shillers like Xavier Sterling. Alright, so let's get into it. The number one source of alpha for me personally is via Twitter. What I do is I just scroll on my timeline and I look for someone who's doing a challenge from 1 solana to, for example, $10,000. So after a bit of scrolling, I have found this person, Snooze Trades. And we can see that he started a 1 solana challenge and now he's at 13 solana and around $350 in some other coin. So he's obviously doing pretty well. And what I want to do now is copy trade him. However, he doesn't share his wallet address anywhere at all, not even on his main page. Nowhere here he shares his wallet address. So how we find his wallet address? We want to type in this coin's name right here. So Scott Wu right here. Ticker name Devin. And you want to copy the token address. You want to head over to solscan.io and you want to just paste in coin address. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go into holders. So okay, if the person that you want to copy trade has a small amount or a small percentage of the coin, then you want to go on holders and show by 40. And we can see he has 253,000, which would equate to around 0.02%. And you want to just look through and find a wallet or a holder which is holding exactly this amount. So we're going to just do that real quick. And boom, we found a holder which has the exact amount as Snooze Trades. So 253,000 right here. And this on the left side is the wallet address that you want to copy trade or the wallet you want to copy trade. So we click it. Yep. And as we can see, he has a very close amount of Solana. He probably just did some trading. We can actually verify this further. And yeah, he did do a little bit of trading. But okay, yep, we found him. Now, you want to copy this wallet address. Then you need to go on birdeye.so. Click the search bar, paste in the wallet address, press search. And as you can see, mine is $40,000 for the week. And we can actually see that this dude lost pretty much that entire amount trading this coin EAR. And overall, it seems like he loses money most of the time if you do a bit more searching. From what I can tell, it isn't a really good wallet to copy trade. So let me find a better wallet real quick. Alright, so we have this dude's wallet. And you actually want to go on Telegram and use the fastest bot for copy trading. And when I mean it's the fastest 3 bot out there. And it's called TradeWizBot. This is currently the fastest copy trading Telegram bot on the market. It's 50% faster than Trojan bot, Soul Trading bot. It has so many features that it's insane. If you're going to be copy trading and you don't have a few thousand to spend on a very good bot, this bot is perfect for copy trading. It costs no money at all. I'm going to link the bot in the description. And once you sign up and whatnot, and once you press start on the bot, you want to go on TradeWizBot and you want to type /start. And obviously to actually start using the bot, you have to deposit some Solana into it. And be sure to actually export your private key just in case anything goes wrong. If you get locked out your Telegram or just anything in general. So you actually have the private key so you can actually control the funds as well, just in case anything goes wrong. But okay, once you put in a few Solana, it's very simple to actually start trading. First thing you need to do is you want to go on settings. You want to change the default slippage right here. Sometimes you want a bit higher than 18%. Personally, I do around 30%. If I'm copy trading a celebrity, I sometimes do even 80%. It really depends on who you're going to be copy trading. If you're going to be copy trading a person like this right here, then your slippage at 18% is honestly fine. I'd maybe set it to 20% just in case. But if you're going to be copy trading someone like Ansem or Insider Crypto, you definitely need to up your slippage to at least 50% in my opinion. But okay, for normal copy trading, I would set 30%. Now, the next thing you need to change is the gas fee. So modify transaction gas fee. It's a very low gas fee, so I'd recommend setting this to at least 0.02, which is around $3. And this might seem high. However, you need to have the fastest transactions. Or for example, if you're specifically copy trading someone like Ansem, then I recommend putting your gas fee to something like even 0.05. It really depends. There's no concrete number. It depends on who you're going to copy trade. However, 0.02 is the default in my opinion. So press enter. And now this bot, which is by far the fastest, like I mentioned, I can't emphasize more how good this bot is. Like personally, I've been using it for a while now, and it's the best free copy trading bot out there. But okay, you have multiple different options. So you have the start page, of course. You have copy trade, positions, smart money, address analysis, we're going to cover later as well as smart money. These are two things that Trojan and Soul Trading Bot don't have, and honestly will save you so much time. And you also have /buy, of course. So let's actually first run the command smart money, and now it says please provide the token contract address to locate smart money. Smart money is essentially the people who are making the most amount of money. So let's use here as an example because I was talking about it earlier. Copy the token address, go on to Telegram, paste it in, and now TradeWizBot just gave us a massive list of top traders and how much ROI they made, return on investment. And as you can see, the top trader made over 100,000% profit. 50,000%, 1,500, 3,500. I'm not here to waste your time. So we have this top address right here. And you might be like, oh, going on Bird Eye is too time consuming. It just takes too much time analyzing the wallet. And why analyze it yourself? And you can just click any address, press start, and this bot shows you the win rate of any address. How much times they traded, their PNL in the last 7 days, and it shows you all the trades they have done in the past week. Not only that, you can do last 24 hours. As you can see, they only traded here in the last 24 hours, and you can also do last 30 days. And in the last 30 days, their win rate is 56.5%, which means that this is a good wallet. However, you don't want to you want to make sure that the coins they're trading are some actual legit coins and not, for example, honeypots, because that's also a method some people do, is they get top trader on purpose to fool a lot of people on a legit coin, and then they trade other coins which are honeypots, and it's kind of complicated, but not really. Just make sure that these coins are legit coins. You just want to search these up on Dexscreener and just make sure they're legit. But okay, so what TradeWizBot tells us is that in the past 7 days, his win rate isn't the best. It's under 50%. You want to aim for at least 60% profit if it's for the weekly. In my opinion, that's what I do. And over the last 30 days, anything over 55% is good in my opinion. That means it's a good wallet. However, remember, if you think 56% isn't much win rate wise, then you can always check out other wallets such as the second top trader. You press start. And this wallet's win rate in the last 7 days is 45%, so I wouldn't recommend doing this from what I can tell in the short term. And in the long term, it's even worse. So this is a wallet I would kind of stay away from because sure, he might have made 50,000% profit. However, sometimes people just get lucky, or there's many other factors into it. However, as you can see, in the long term and even in the short term, this wallet isn't profitable at all. However, as you can see in the long term and the short term, this wallet is losing more trades than they're winning. But you're not limited to just these wallets. You can go on any other coin. You can go on literally any coin which is trending, or even coins which aren't trending, and just copy the token address, paste it into TradeWizBot, and it gives you all the information that you need. But okay, let's say you found someone that you want to copy trade, which is a good wallet. So I'm going to just use this person as an example. We just click here, create copy trading, press it. Now we have to set everything up. So for example, tag is just a nickname for the wallet, so I would do something like iTopTrader. And then we have buy percentage, which is, for example, if he buys 5 solana worth, then you will buy the exact same amount as he does. However, if you want to limit that, there's actually a maximum buy right here, and you can set it to something like 3 solana or 2 solana. It really depends on how much you're trading with. And there's also the minimum buy, and I recommend setting this to 0.5 solana. Alright, so the total buy limit, this is essentially how many times you're willing to copy trade the wallet that you're tracking. So for example, if this iTopTrader person, for example, buys 5 times, you can limit it so you only copy trade him twice at the maximum. And this really depends, like I said, on your risk level and how much you're willing to risk. It really just depends. There's no concrete number. I'm going to set it. I'm going to just keep it as is, 1 total buy limit. And then you have buy time. So essentially, it's essentially how many times you're willing to copy trade this wallet that you're tracking. So I'm going to set it as 1 for now. It just really depends on the wallet that you're tracking. Unrenounced buy, I would recommend setting this off. And unburned buy, this means that the liquidity pool, if it's not burned, that you can actually buy in after it. I would recommend also pressing don't buy. Now the minimum liquidity pool, I would recommend setting the minimum liquidity pool to at least 10,000. Max market cap, so I would recommend setting that to maybe $5 million. Minimum market cap, I would also do maybe 50,000. Copy pump.fun trades, I would recommend setting this as true. Depends on your top trader, like I said. So if the wallet that you're trading buys out of pump.fun gems and profits a lot, I would recommend setting this as true. If it's the opposite, I would turn it off. Copy sells, so essentially what this is whenever this wallet right here sells, your transaction is right after it. I would recommend having this on. So by position ratio, false. No position sell notice, I would recommend having this false. Auto sell really depends on what you're copy trading, but for this case, I'm going to just have it off. And you also have auto retry, so if your transaction fails, how many times the bot's going to attempt to do the transaction again, I would recommend having this 2. And then of course we have the slippage and the gas fee. And once you've input all your settings, you want to actually press create. And now once you press create, and now as you can see, we have this trader copy traded essentially. So whenever he does a transaction, we're going to follow right after him. every single time he buys into the market, every single time he sells into the market, we're gonna follow his buys. And I can guarantee you, if you're top trading someone who is, for example, Ansem or just any celebrity in general, you are over 50% faster than the people who use Trojan bot, Soul Trading bot, obviously unless your transaction fee is something like 0.0005, but 0.02 is a very good transaction fee in my opinion for copy trading. But now we can actually do address analysis. Okay, so address analysis is essentially the exact same thing as checking out wallet addresses on Bird Eye. So if you go on any coin, go on top traders, for example this wallet right here, you actually want to copy the wallet address. So if you found a trader on Dexscreener which you think is worth copy trading, if you've done the research yourself, you can actually copy the wallet address, paste it into TradeWizBot, and it shows you the win rate of this wallet. And as you can see, 14% win rate over the past 7 days. You can also do the same for the last 30 days, which is the exact same amount. This wallet isn't a good wallet to copy trade in my opinion. Another way you can actually find good wallets to copy trade is by going on Dexscreener and going on any coin you like, or which is performing the best. And you want to go on top traders, and this coin Bob right here, it reached $5 million market cap, and this coin was launched off of pump.fun. What I did right now is I went on top traders and I looked at who invested the least and got back the most. So I have this transaction right here, $700, and it was turned into $25,000. If we actually click it, once we click it, as you can see, this person bought $750 worth of it at around the $150,000 mark, and it started selling off at all these big peaks, only peaks. From what I can tell, it seems like he has some sort of insider information, because notice how he only sells when there's a top. He doesn't sell when it's going down, he only sells at the top. If we actually investigate further and check out this person's wallet, we can see he has 254 Solana worth. Now if we go quickly on TradeWizBot real quick and just analyze his wallet, or you can actually use Bird Eye as well if you don't want to use TradeWizBot. However, I recommend using TradeWizBot for copy trading. And okay, we can see his win rate for the past 7 days is 26.67%, and he's up $100,000. You can see what he bought, and if we actually go in the past 24 hours, in the past 24 hours he's up 10,000 and his win rate is 14.29%. So we can see that this person might just have a big balance and he just buys a ton of coins and sometimes they hit. However, I think it's deeper than that, and I have a reason to think so. If we actually look at this wallet, we can see that in the past 3 months it's up $300,000, and he's traded around $3 million worth of volume. And now this 300,000, now 10% profit might not seem huge, but if you're dealing with large sums of money like this, then 10% is a lot. Not to mention, he places a few Solana worth into dozens of coins, and he might be down $100, $300, but he just needs one token to hit, and they seem to hit pretty often, to be honest. And here you have another top trader, and he bought around the same time as this person, and he also started selling at the all-time highs. Let's actually analyze this wallet as well. Since these people were so early, they knew something that you and I don't know. You want to analyze these top traders heavily, because if they buy a coin right before it pumps, one time, then okay, they got lucky maybe. Second time, in my opinion, there's no such thing as a coincidence. So in the past 7 days, win rate 50%. This wallet is up $16,000. If we analyze it a bit more, and we can see that the majority of his profits in the past 24 hours is from Bob. However, I don't really like this wallet for multiple reasons, because this wallet honestly does a ton of degenerate gambles, and in my opinion, you shouldn't do those types of things. And from what I can tell, this person has multiple wallets that he seems to trade on, and what I can see from SoulScan right here is that this person, like I said, does a ton of degenerate gambles. It seems like he has multiple wallets. This person actually has a pump.fun profile as well. I don't know, it just doesn't fit right with me, because I explained why. So this is a wallet that you would want to avoid copy trading. However, it shows that you need to extensively do research on these copy traders, so you don't copy trade any person who just got lucky on a coin and then you leave your copy trading bot on overnight, and when you wake up in the morning your entire balance is gone and you're crying because you didn't listen to ZoomWealth. And not to mention, this wallet was actually created 1 day ago, and it's a fresh wallet, so whenever there's a fresh wallet, I would not recommend copy trading it at all, because the wallet you're going to copy trade, it should have, at least in my opinion, 2 weeks worth of activity going on. However, that's pretty much all for today, but if you stick around for 30 more seconds, I've got something I want to show you, which is going to completely change how you trade Solana meme coins. I have a free course right now, only for the next 24 hours. I'm going to make it private again. I should go way more in depth about this type of stuff on pump.fun. How you can get into wave 1 meme coins, how you can get into wave 2 meme coins, everything. As you can see, normally costs $98. However, it's 100% off for the next 24 hours. So link in the description if you want to get it. I cover all of this stuff. As you can see, how to find new collections for trading, how you can actually find narratives, how you can actually get some insider information. All of it is in my pump.fun meme coin mastery course, 100% off for the next 24 hours. Link in the description. And what the top chief says himself, I hope you get out of the matrix of this year. Link in the description.